Welcome back, friends. I've got a quick one for you today. We're going to talk about how masks work in Affinity Photo by giving 3 short examples. It's an important topic that can be a bit confusing, so I'm going to keep this really simple and stick to the basics. But first, if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to click those like and subscribe buttons. It really helps. A basic mask is a black and white image that controls the transparency of a layer, allowing users to hide or reveal parts of an image or layer without erasing them. For our first, we have a man with a white mask on in the top layer. In the bottom layer, we have a man with no mask. I've already applied a mask to the top layer. You can see that little white box by the image of the masked man. I'm going to select that white mask box. Then I'll click on the brush tool and I'll select a brush. If you paint black color on the white mask, it will make that area transparent to reveal what's underneath. Let's try this again with a different example. Here we have some colorful hot air balloons on the bottom layer. On the top layer, we have the same balloons in black and white. Again, I've already applied the white mask to the top layer. I'll click on the mask to select it. This time, I'm going to use the freehand selection tool to make a precise outline around the balloon. I'll then use the flood fill tool to fill in the selection with black color. Isn't that a cool effect you could use for your own home photos? For our final example, we're going to do something a little different. Here we have 2 images of a man. I used my sketch effect macro on the top. On the bottom is the original picture. I'll add a mask by selecting the mask tool at the bottom of the layers panel. I'll then select the mask and then click Command-I or Control-I on a PC to invert the layer. Notice the mask turns black and the top layer disappears. To reveal what's on top, we need to color the mask white. I'll use the freehand selection tool to draw a little shape around the man's eyes and then fill it in with the flood fill tool. A little weird looking, but I hope you get the point. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked what you saw, please click those like and subscribe button below. Have a great day, everyone.